Have you ever looked at those expensive professional cleaning products and thought, why does this cost so much? I did too, until I realized that with just a few household ingredients, I could make 3 pro-grade cleaners that work even better than store-bought ones for mere pennies. Today, I'll show you exactly how I created them, step by step, so you can save money and clean smarter, not harder. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon, because these DIY cleaning hacks will completely change your home cleaning game. Understanding the power of simple ingredients. Most professional cleaners contain a combination of acids, bases, and surfactants, which can be replicated with household items like baking soda, vinegar, lemon, and essential oils. These natural ingredients are safe, effective, and cost next to nothing. Understanding how they work helps you customize cleaners for different surfaces, from kitchen counters to bathroom tiles. Cleaner number 1. The all-purpose vinegar spray. The first cleaner I made is a simple all-purpose spray using vinegar, water, and a few drops of essential oil. Vinegar's acidity breaks down grease, grime, and mineral deposits, while the essential oil adds a fresh scent and antibacterial properties. I use this on countertops, glass, and sinks. It works as well as or better than store-bought sprays and costs almost nothing to make. Cleaner number 2. Baking soda power paste. The second cleaner is a baking soda paste for tougher stains and scrubbing jobs. Mixing baking soda with a bit of water creates a mild abrasive that removes stuck-on grime without scratching surfaces. I've used it on stovetops, oven interiors, and even grout. This one is a lifesaver because it's non-toxic and extremely versatile, replacing multiple expensive cleaners I used to buy. Cleaner number 3. Lemon and salt scrub. The third cleaner is a lemon and salt scrub, perfect for stubborn rust, stains, and cutting boards. The citric acid in lemon breaks down stains and disinfects, while salt adds gentle abrasion. I even use it to refresh metal utensils and clean sinks with minimal effort. It's amazing how just 2 ingredients can achieve professional-level cleaning results for mere pennies. The step-by-step guide to making these cleaners. Vinegar spray. Mix 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, 10 drops of essential oil in a spray bottle. Shake before each use. Baking soda paste. Combine 3 tablespoons baking soda with a few teaspoons of water to make a paste. Lemon salt scrub. Sprinkle salt on a surface. Cut a lemon in half and scrub. Each of these cleaners is quick to make, inexpensive, and highly effective, saving both money and time. Cost comparison: DIY versus store-bought. A bottle of store-bought all-purpose cleaner costs around $5 to $10 and often contains chemicals I prefer to avoid. Using these DIY methods, I spent less than $1 for all 3 cleaners, yet achieved equal or better results. Over time, the savings are enormous, and your home stays chemical-free and eco-friendly. Tips for safe and effective use. Watch greasy countertops, grimy ovens, and stained sinks sparkle without spending a fortune. These small hacks bring joy and pride to everyday cleaning. How to maintain a DIY cleaning routine. Refill spray bottles weekly to stay stocked. Rotate cleaners based on cleaning needs. Keep baking soda and salt handy for quick fixes. Use lemon juice for natural deodorizing. By implementing a simple, repeatable routine, you can maintain a sparkling, chemical-free home effortlessly. Making 3 pro-grade cleaners for mere pennies is easier than most people think. With vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and salt, you can clean your entire home efficiently and safely while saving money. These DIY solutions are versatile, natural, and incredibly effective, proving that you don't need expensive products to achieve professional results. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more practical cleaning hacks. Try these DIY cleaners today and watch your home sparkle like never before, all without spending a fortune. Once you try these simple hacks, you'll never go back to store-bought cleaners. Save money, clean smarter, and enjoy a sparkling, chemical-free home.